Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Ampere full circle true wireless charging power bank. So this power bank allows you to recharge your phone wirelessly as well. Now I'm just going to open this one. So this one here, it's got a grab. When you purchase it, it will come in a grab like this. So I'm just going to open it, and then we're going to take a look what you can expect to get inside this box. So this is truly amazing because we can recharge our mobile device wirelessly with this power bank. It's got extra large 10-watt wireless charging output, so that will allow you to recharge your phone really quick with 13,400 milliamp battery capacity. And it's got wireless input and wireless output, and works with side pockets. So let's open up and have a look on the inside. And there it is. It's got a instruction manual here, and this one here. So it's got a warranty card and a gift card plus $20 gift card, and there is some information booklet and how you can use it. So here it is. Here is the power bank. So that's just the box, and then I'm just going to have a look in here. I'm just trying to open it and get it out. So it's quite heavy. Feel like it's made very of good quality. It's quite sturdy. Everything's all nice, good nick. So this one here kind of like coming off. So this one here. So let's see. So this is where you place your mobile device on top, and you'll be able to charge it wirelessly. So I'm just going to peel this one out. It's got some protected film on this one. There is a button that I can press on it. Now you can see the lights go on straight away. There's no cables. I cannot see any USB cable come along with this package. So there's no USB cables. So just this power bank on the side here. It's got the USB A type, the old type, and then you got the USB C type over here. So there's only two ports. One is input and one is output. So there's not that many ports available. And there's one button here that you can just press on it. So there's everything inside. So if you need to recharge this power bank, you need to have a separate. I would guess you need to have a separate charger as well as a charging cable. It doesn't come with this box, so there's nothing in it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this unboxing videos of the Ampere full circle true wireless charging device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.